Dear students, today we are going to continue sp2 and sp3 hybridization of some other examples. For yesterday I have thought about sp hybridization beryllium chloride, sp2 is boron trichloride, sp3 is methane. Three examples given. Now I am going to continue with some other examples. For now sp3, now I am using the methane molecules. I am again continuing. Now I am going to start with ethane C2H6. Okay, here also sp3 hybridization. Carbon single bond carbon, three hydrogens. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. There are seven sigma bond. Seven sigma bond present in the ethane molecule. No pi bond. Okay. I told you no single bond means single bond always a double bond containing one sigma and one pi bond. Single bond means it containing only one sigma bond. Triple bond means triple bond contains one sigma bond, two pi bond. This is the essential condition for all type of bonds. Now I am just telling the sp3 ethane molecule. Now I am going to draw the structures for this. This is one carbon, this is another carbon overlapping each other. Here lobes are there, many lobes are there. Hydrogen, carbon is linked with hydrogen. P3 methane, CH4. Structure will be carbon like this, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So we have to draw a lone pair here, one more pair here, one more loop is here, one more is here, and one more is here. Surrounded by hydrogen, 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 pairing. Electron pair, methane, this is carbon. This is the structure of carbon, structure of methane, structure of methane. Now I am going to write the hybridization of methane. Electronic configuration of this compound. Electronic configuration equal to of carbon equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Here 2s2, 2p ground state configuration. 1 to 2p2, right? Excited state. Next one is excited state configuration. Excited state. One electron from 2s orbital jumps to empty 2p orbital, 2px, 2py, 2pz. Because of the hydrogen approaches carbon, so energy will be released. Therefore, excited state occupies. Initially, the carbon's electronic configuration is like this. Whenever the hydrogen approaches the carbon, energy will be released, so electron jumps from the 2s orbital to the empty 2p orbitals. The energy difference between the 2s orbital and 2p orbitals are almost equal. So this is the excited state configuration: 2px, 2s, 2py, 2pz. So here one s orbital and one s and 3p. So therefore it is sp3. One s and 3. So it is called sp3 hybridization. So 25% s character, 75% of P character, right? The shape will be tetrahedral. Shape is tetrahedral. Bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. So bond angle, diagram, structure, and this is important. How to get the hybridization of this compound, that also important. Uh, you have to follow all these things. It's a 2-mark question. Now I am explained about the sp3 hybridization of methane. Now I am going to tell you about sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization means I told you know one pi bond and sigma bond is there. Now I am going to start with sp2 ethene. Let me take as ethene. Now I am going to start with ethene. Okay. This is the explanation. sp3 example is methane. Structure of methane is there. CH4. Valence of carbon is 4. Surrounded by 4 hydrogen atom. So 4 atom electronic shares like that. Electron of hydrogen and carbon shared like this. Whenever hydrogen approaches carbon, the energy in the carbon released, so the electron in the 2s orbitals are excited to the 2p orbitals. Now these 4 compounds having all 4 having, therefore the sp3 hybridization and sp3 hybridization there are in methane there are 4 sp3 hybridized bond. So this is very important, 1 mark. How many sp3 hybridization in the methane means 4, because whenever hybridize each other, they have acquire both the characters. So that is why it has sp3. That is how many sigma bond here? Total number of sigma bond 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sigma bond. Total, no pi bond. This is also important. So number of sigma bond is 4. sp3 hybridization 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this carbon and hydrogen sp3. This carbon and hydrogen sp3. And the bond are sigma bond. So everything explained this methane compound. Now I am going to start with ethene. sp2 hybridization. Example, ethene. Formula C2H4. Structure carbon, double bond, carbon, single bond. This is the structure of ethene. Okay. Now I am going to draw the structures here. Sigma bond. Pi bond. Sigma bond. In ethene, 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. End to end overlapping. Sigma bond. Lateral overlapping. It's called pi bond. So in this structure in ethene molecule, 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond is there. hydrogen, 4 hydrogen molecules bonded with 2 carbon. This is one carbon, this is another carbon. So it is linked with, it is the loop. This is one loop. See, we can draw the loop like this, and it easily react with the hydrogen. So this is the structure. According to this structure, we can draw the loop. So now I am going to write the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of carbon. Any one carbon we can take. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2s2, 2p2. 2 electron in the s orbital, 2 electron in the p orbital. Now I am going to, this is ground state, next one excited state. 1 electron, when the hydrogen molecules approach the carbon, energy is released, therefore the electron from the s orbitals jumps to p orbitals. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now the hybridization is this only. This is unhybrid orbitals, unhybridized orbital, n2p orbital, because it undergoes pi bonding, one pi bonding, one s orbital, 2p orbital, therefore it is sp2 hybridized orbital. So one s orbital and 2 orbitals only hybridized. This 2p orbital not hybridized because it forms the pi bond. So it is the ethene is an example of sp2 hybridization. S character is 33.33%. Remaining will be p character. P character is 66.67%. Okay. This is sp2 hybridization. Here also sp2. Here also sp2. So all the three things all having sp2 hybridization. sp2. This also sp2. So these are sp2 hybridized orbitals for ethene molecules. Sigma bond. So in this diagram there are 5 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. So in the ethene molecule 5 sigma bond and 1 pi bond is there. This pi bond cloud. So pi bond is lateral overlapping. See, this is delta X. You see, carbon is there, hydrogen is like this. Hydrogen, carbon. Okay, this is the px, 2px forming pi bond. It's positive, negative. So it is 2px is pi bond. Here it is hydrogen. So when you are seeing like this, you get like this. So for lateral overlapping, 2px is involved. 2px, 2py are vertical lobes. 2pz will be the horizontal lobe. So this is the example how the bond will be formed. Okay, this is the diagram which tells about the ethene of pi sigma bond, 1 pi bond. Bond length is 134 picometer. Bond angle is 117 degree. So this is the terms related to sp2 hybridization. Now I am going to talk about sp hybridization. Shall I rub this diagram? So 2px means in the lobe, this is x, this is y and this is z. So x, 2px. X, 2px and 2py are involved for pi bonding. 2pz only involved for sigma bonding. Okay, this is the diagram I have explained. Okay, now I am going to talk about sp hybridization. sp hybridization. For sp hybridization, we are using ethene. Ethine. We can use CH triple bond CH. This we have to use for the sp hybridization. Now I am going to write the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of this one is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 for carbon. Here also for carbon. This carbon alone we have used. This is inner cell, so it will not come. 2s2, 2p2, 1, 2. This is ground state configuration. Excited state configuration. Excited state configuration equals to 1 electron in 2s and the remaining electrons are in 2p. So now here how many electrons are hybridized means 1 s orbital and 1 p orbital. I will tell you. So s1 p1, therefore sp hybridization. Remaining 2p. This 2p, 2px, 2py, 2pz. This 2p y and 2pz are unhybridized because they involve pi bond formation. By pi bond formation, it's a weaker bond when compared to sigma bond. Now I am going to draw the structure. This is the structure. The bond angle is 180 degree plane molecule. Now we are going to draw the structures of this one. Hydrogen is the carbon containing this lobe, straight lobe, again straight lobe. Again one more carbon C. Carbon. This two tells about the pi bond, and the one more thing is linked with hydrogen. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, sigma bond. How many pi bond? 1, 2 is positive lobe, negative lobe. So next 1, 2. So this one is 1 pi bond, this one is 1 more pi bond. There are 2 pi bond and 3 sigma bond. So 2 pi bond and 3 sigma bond present in the acetylene or ethane molecule. Bond angle 180 degree. The electronic configuration is given like that. Ethane CH triple bond CH. Electronic configuration is ground state same. Excited state, the hydrogen will approach carbon. Energy will be released from carbon. So 1s orbital, 2s orbital shifted to 2p orbital. Therefore the 2p empty orbital is filled. That one s orbital and one p orbital are involved in hybridization. Therefore 2 sp hybridized orbitals are found. So 2 sp hybridized orbitals. This is also sp character. This is also having sp characters. Sigma bond, pi bond. This is also important. How many sigma bond? How many pi bond? They may ask. These are the examples for sp3, sp2 and the sp hybridized orbitals. In the next class we will discuss about the dsp3 and sp2 hybrid, sp3 to d3 3. Next 3 examples we will see in the next class. Thank you. God bless you.